Let's see how to use and apply Mounjaro. The common site to apply Mounjaro are stomach, thigh, or back of your upper arm. Mounjaro pens look like this. Take the pen out of the fridge. Just before applying, check the expiry and the dose which you want to apply. Choose the injection site and clean that area with cotton swab. Pull off the gray base cap. Make sure pen is locked while doing this. Once the gray base cap is removed, throw it away in your household trash. Place the clear base flat against your skin at the injection site. Now unlock by turning the lock ring. Press and hold the purple injection button for up to 10 seconds. Pay attention to 2 click sounds, which you will listen. First click, which is injection started. Second click, which is injection completed. You will know your injection is complete when the gray plunger is visible. After your injection, place the used pen in a sharps container. That's it. You are done with your dose.